Continuing with part 2, this time about children or a child. Children, abantwana. Child, umntwana. The ntwana remains constant, umntwana, abantwana. Question, do you have children? Unabo, do you have any? Abantwana, children. Yes, I do have. Ewe, ndinabo. No, I don't have. Andinabo. Or you could say, yes, I do have children, and include the noun ewe ndinabantwana. If that is the case, ba ngapi. Ba, they, ngapi are how many. Ba ngapi, how many are they? Who are they? They are abantwana. So we use ba ngapi because of the underlined ba we see in the noun. So if there's only one, we would say mnye, one. And that m is one what? One child. And there's the m that you use. So there is one child and perhaps a little boy, inkwenkwe. A little girl, intombazana. Or they, ba, are two in number, babini. And they could be a boy and a girl, inkwenkwe nentombazana. That ne is the and. Or there would be three children, ba tatu. So just basically learning to count here as well. So take note first of all of the questioning word ngapi, how many? Nye, one. Bini, two. Tatu, three. And we are counting children, abantwana, therefore ba bini, and then one, mnye, babini, sorry, and then ba tatu. The people at home. Abantu, the people, ekhaya, at home. With whom do you stay or live? Uhlala, you live. Nabani, with whom? Ekhaya, at home. Ndihlala, I live. Nomyeni wam, with my husband. From the word umyeni. I live or stay with my wife. Ndihlala nonkosikazi. From the word unkosikazi. I live with someone. Ndiyahlalisana, living in a relationship. I live with my family. Ndihlala ne family yam. There is a more sophisticated Xhosa word for family, but this will do for our purposes. Ndihlala ne family yam, and the family could be umyeni, the husband, nabantwana, and children, or unkosikazi, the wife, nabantwana. Another response could be I live alone. Ndihlala ndedwa or ndodwa. Doesn't matter. I fend or look after myself. Ndiyazihlalela. Hlala, live or stay. Hlalela, live or stay for myself. Ndiyazihlalela. Having established who you share your home with, let's see how many people there are. Inani, the number, labantu, of people, ekhaya. So here is a question. Let me just get rid of that. How many are there of you at home? Ni, remember, meaning referring to all of you. Ni bangapi, how many are there of you? How many abantu? That's where the ba comes from. Ni bangapi ekhaya. It is only me. Ndim, it is me. Ndedwa, alone. There are two of us. Si, we. Ba, from abantu. Si, ba bini, there are two of us. Si, ba tatu, there are three of us. Si, ba tandatu, there are 6 of us. that. Sibathandathu. There are 4 or 5 of us. Sibane, 4. Sibahlanu, 5. Enkosi, hamba kakuhle nawe. Counting again from the nye, which is 1, bini, 2, tatu, 3, ne, 4, hlanu, 5, tandatu, 6. And the question was, ni bangapi? How many are there of you? Getting towards the end of our little conversation, we now want to know, where are you going from here? Ukuyapi. So we want to ask the question, where are you going to now? Uyapi ngoku. Uyapi ngoku. I am going home. Ndiya goduka. Goduka, go home. I am going to town. Ndiya etown, slang, or ndiya edolopini. So town is idolopu, edolopini. I am going to the shop or shopping. Ndiya evenkileni, from ivenkile. I am going to my office. Ndiya eofisini, from the word iofisi. I am going to class. Ndiya eklasini, from the word iklasi. I am going to a meeting. Ndiya emitingini, from imitingi. So take note how the words change from the original form to a word meaning to or in or at. Finally, as we go our separate ways, we want to know what is the time, what the time is now. And the word for time is ixesha. Ixesha, a question. Ngubani ixesha ngoku. Ngubani, the third time we've had it. Ngubani igama, ngubani ifani, and now ngubani ixesha ngoku now. Or litini ixesha ngoku. What does the time say now? Okay. Ngubani ixesha ngoku. The time, it is 11 o'clock. Ixesha ngu. It is 11. And at what time does the class that you are going to begin, or the meeting or whatever? Iqala. Qala is to begin or start. Ngabani, at what time? Iklasi, or meeting. Iqala ngo 11:30. It starts at 11:30. So take note of the time is 11, ngu 11, and something starts at 11:30, ngo 11:30. Thank you, go well. Enkosi, hamba kakuhle. Thanks, and the same to you. Enkosi, nawe. So, by way of summary, isishwangatelo. You can practice communicating around the following points: physical address, knowing or not knowing a place, types of dwellings, marital status, details about children, who the people are at home, the number of people at home, where are you going to from here, and at what time will whatever it is be taking place. Enkosi kakhulu.